Hello and welcome to Dad Got This. We are out at the grand opening of the Wild Fork in Lake Nona with Monument Grills. We're grilling up some picanha. We got some bison sliders and some Filipino adobo glazed chicken wings. Let's go see what we got on the grill. Enjoy the event, guys. All right, congratulations on winning. Check out Monument Grills. They make fantastic grills. Winner, winner.
Yeah.
The chicken's right there. Picanha.
Picanha?
Yep.
What's picanha?
It is a Brazilian cut. Big fat cap on the top. You cut it into steaks. Very popular in Brazilian steakhouses. And those are some Filipino barbecue adobo glazed wings. We are out at the grand opening of Wild Fork with Monument Grills, and this gentleman won a Monument Grills prize.
Excellent, thank you so much.
No problem. How'd you hear about the event?
I was just driving back, actually. I was going to shop for the first time here, and then we saw this, and my wife is tasting the meat, and it looks great.
Did you get to try some of the foods?
Not yet, but
all right, well, I want to know how it is when you get there. We got grilled picanha and some chicken wings.
Awesome, thank you very much.
Awesome, thanks for stopping by. Make sure you check out Monument Grills. That's what all the food was cooked on.
Okay, great.
It's a great grill.
Awesome, thank you very much.
Thank you, take care. We have been grilling for a while out here for Monument Grills. Food is going fast. There's been a gigantic line all day. Check out Monument Grills. That's the grill I'm cooking on, and that's where you get good food. You gotta have good equipment. What's up? We are still out here grilling. Did you get to try any of the food?
Oh my gosh, the wings, amazing. The bison burger, scrumptious.
Good. Did you try the steak?
I didn't try the steak
yet.
yet.
We got the steak out there. Go grab some steak.
I'm gonna get some steak. I'm gonna get that. Oh, right now?
Yeah, go ahead, grab it. Grab one. Give it a try on the camera. That's grilled picanha that we grilled up on the Monument Grill.
We doing a live test right now.
Live taste test. Let's see how we did.
Oh yeah, y'all did that.
Dude, that's salt and pepper.
That's it?
That's it.
It's tender, succulent.
When you cook with good meat, you don't need to do a lot to it. So how'd you hear about the event?
I was just driving by.
Driving by. Hey, drive-by traffic is always good, man. I hope you enjoyed it.
Oh yeah.
Make sure you check out Monument Grills and Wild Fork.
Do it. You're not gonna be let down, baby.
Yeah, we're out here, Lake Nona, Wild Fork, cooking on the grill. We got some chicken, we got steaks, we got smash burgers. Inside we had a seafood curry, we had teriyaki salmon,
Oh man, I want to try all
cream
that
Cajun salmon with the cream curry sauce.
stuff. You get to try any of that.
Sorry about that, man.
Oh, that chicken's looking good.
Yes, sir.
We got steak on the way.
Yeah? What's on it? Was that like
barbecue?
Okay, barbecue, yeah.
Yeah, it's soy sauce, vinegar, a little brown sugar, garlic. It's a spin on Filipino adobo.
Okay, that's cool. Yeah, thanks a lot. It was really good.
How'd you guys hear about the event?
We live like 2 blocks down. Yeah, we live right over here. Yeah.
Well, thanks for coming out.
All right, thanks a lot, man.
Did you get to try the food?
I did try the food.
How was that bison burger?
Bison burger is really good.
Yeah?
Still have it in my mouth.
Is the sauce too spicy or is it good?
No, I didn't really notice there was a spice until you mentioned it.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming out.
Oh no, thanks for having me, man.
Awesome. They are still grilling up food. The event's going great. We are having a fantastic time here at the Wild Fork Foods grand opening. Thank you to Monument Grills, the Denali 605, doing the job.
I'm not gonna lie.
So is that your first time having picanha?
It is my first time. And bison beef.
And bison. And would you give them both a good
10.
pass?
10.
Awesome.
For
Get a
sure.
wing.
I did. Didn't try it yet.
All right, let me go.
good.
That's my
All right,
recipe.
all right.
Oh, that's your recipe.
That's all me. That's my Filipino barbecue adobo glazed recipe on it.
Give me the recipe.
It's on the website. Grab a card. It's on the website. My wife's Filipino, so I made a spin-off of their barbecue adobo and made a little glaze for it to put on the links.
It's very good.
It's really good.
How'd you guys hear about the event?
We live down there.
You live down there? Hey, that's perfect.
We came here earlier, and we didn't know you guys were having a grand opening. So, brought family.
Good.
Awesome. Well, thank you for coming out.
Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed the food.
No problem.
Thank you.
Have a nice
You
one,
guys have a
sir.
good one. And that's it from the Monument Grill's Wild Fork grand opening. Make sure you guys do all the likey, subscribe stuff. Leave a comment. I answered just about every comment in my comment section. If you want to support the channel, become a member. Members get 24-hour early access to videos and all kinds of fun perks. But I guess that only leaves one question left to answer. How do you compliment a grill? Tell it it's smoking hot. Dad may tell horrible dad jokes. Grill for Monument Grills at Wild Fork. One thing Dad will never do is an outro. That's it. Bye.
This episode of Dad Got This was brought to you by our producers. Thank you very much.